What's up guys, in this particular video I'm going to show you this particular tool I used to generate videos using Grok model. You can see from the video showing you on your screen, I generated these videos using Grok and this was done free of charge. So I'm going to be showing you how to go about it. Without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright, here's the website we are going to be using for this particular tutorial. I'll be pinning the link to this website in the comment section, so you just check it out. Once you come here, for this particular website, you don't need to really log in or have an account on this website for you to use it, so you can use it without even creating an account. So without wasting much time, let's just go to the what we are here to do today. So on this here, you can see from here, once you just check it look as if you're not going to see Grok. So let me just show you the easiest way to access Grok here. Now once you see all video editors, so once you click on all video generators, you're going to see you have Accidents, you have Grok here. So once on this Grok, you are going to just scroll down, you're going to see Grok, click on see more. So once you click on the see more, it's going to bring you to this interface. So once you're on this interface, the next thing you're going to do, you can see you can enter your prompt here, and let me just enter my prompts. So you can see I've entered my prompts. The next thing we're going to do, you're going to, on this side, you can see you can choose any of the Grok model you want to use. So now I've not yet tried this. Let me just try picking 4.5 since it's the highest. Let's see what it's going to give to us. Now I'm going to select my aspect ratio, and from there I'm going to click on generate. So once I click on generate, I pray it works for us. So once I click on generate, you can see at the down there is generating the videos. So let's just wait for it to complete and see what it's going to generate. So you can see it's done generating the video. I think from the preview I've even seen, I think it's going to be a very beautiful work. So let me just try and so let me just quickly download. You can download from there, just click here, or you can just click on this arrow. So I'm just going to download. So let me download it. I'll be playing the downloaded file. I'll play the video at the end of this particular tutorial for you to see. So let me just play the video. You can see
right now, and let the crown remember us.
Wow, so you can see from what it generated, it just looks as if it's a realistic Netflix movie I'm watching. You can see the output is very clean and everything is so clean. So I'm so speechless in this right now with the result this particular to just give to me right now. I'm very speechless. So now let me just here's the first one. Let me try with another different prompt and see. Let me try with another different prompt and see the result is going to give me. Okay, and I've added my prompt and I've clicked on generate. You can see it's generating the video. Let's wait and see what the result is going to also give me here. All right guys, once again it has generated for me my video, and let me see what's the generated. Let me download it first. Let me download it, then I'm going to play it after it's finished downloading so that you see what it gives us. Wow, so you can see this is it also did a very great job here. This tool is so amazing. So I'm so seriously, I'm really excited with the output this particular website gives to me for free. So how many videos I've been able to generate from this particular website for free using Grok. And you can see they also have the image model you can also use to generate image if you want to generate images. So that's just can see, just say I should show you guys this particular site so you can try it out and tell me your experiences in the comment section. And let me tell you something about this particular website. In case I think for now, I'm not really sure. For some models I've actually used, I think there is a limit of like 2 videos per day on this particular website. Now, what you're going to do once you hit the levels, what you just need to what I do personally, if I'm the one, what I do is to just I'll just turn on my VPN. So right now you can see it generated all those videos without logging in. can see so my login is showing here. I'm not yet. I didn't log into this particular website. So once you hit your limit, what you just need to do, I'll just come to the VPN and turn on my VPN, connect to another location, and boom, continue generating my video. I can see it is very simple. That is no hard past that one. So you just done my thing and speaking PG. So that's just the my software that is making me to speak all this. So that's just it. Once you switch to another location, you can keep on generating. You exhaust the limit for that one. You switch to another location. That's just it. So you can keep on generating as much videos as you want on this particular website. So just tell me your experience. Try it out and tell me your experiences in the comment section. I'll be waiting to hear from you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.